I tried my best, but I'm tired now. I eat too much power and give too little comfort. Maybe it's time to let me rest. Meet the five-star hero. Cool, calm, and energy wise. India's homes deserve nothing less. Comfort isn't in the cold, it's in the choice. Join the Cool at 24 club and stay cool the smart way. One smart switch to a 5-star AC, and my bill turned from a beast to beauty. It took one drawing, a little love, and a cooler world was born at 24 degrees. Cooler India isn't just about ACs, it's about smart choices that shine across the nation.